So I'm driving a BMW 650 at the moment. Beautiful car, very comfortable. It's a cruiser. It's a twin turbo V8. Got lots of power. It's just an incredible platform. It's a little heavy, but it's nice for touring. I wouldn't take it to the track or anything like some people have, but it's very nice for nice leisurely drive, maybe even some spirited driving around town. Yeah, I kind of like BMWs a little bit more. I loved when, even in the 70s and the 80s, I'm dating myself, when the cars came out, especially in the 80s, they started making everything ergonomically designed, so you didn't have to reach very far for any of the controls. Everything was there. I used to have a Porsche where I had to, every time I shifted, I had to reach down because the shifter was so low to the ground. And, or of course the noise and all that. BMWs are more of a comfortable sports sedan. It always stuck with me how forgiving they were to drive. You have to have a different driving technique for each car you drive. The Porsches, the 911s or so, they're, the engine in the back. You have to have a different way of driving. BMW made it a lot easier. They usually are very balanced. They're very, very, very forgiving. I remember my E30 M3 on the racetrack. You would put that on a turn and just balance it, throttle steer, and just lightly give feedback with the steering wheel. It was a perfect drifting car. Porsches, however, you have to go in a turn, make sure you got throttles in. You never lift on a Porsche, or pretty much any car, but especially on Porsches in the turn, because then you go spinning around. But BMWs have a little nicer sedan, sports sedan kind of feel. That's why I like BMWs a little bit more, even though I drive another Porsche and a Mercedes. For spirited tour driving, I like the BMWs a lot more. So stay tuned and subscribe to Navigating with Nerces. It'll be a fun ride, and I hope you learn a few things. And I promise, I'll never steer you wrong.
Autoscope, trust and value the way car repair should be.